In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a color analysis for free using ChatGPT. Whether you're looking to enhance your wardrobe, choose the right makeup shades, or simply understand what colors complement you best, this easy method will give you some insights. And the best part? It's absolutely free and wonderfully simple. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. This is the simplest starting point for our journey today. Once Google is loaded up and ready, direct your attention to the search bar and type in ChatGPT. This step initiates our quest for the right tool. A sophisticated AI like ChatGPT will assist us with determining your color palette. Now, you will see a list of results. Look for the official ChatGPT website. It should be the top result. Give it a click to open the ChatGPT platform, and this is where the magic starts to happen. Navigating to the ChatGPT website is crucial because it's our playfield for performing the color analysis. This efficiently. With ChatGPT open and ready to engage, it's time to craft your prompt. This can feel like setting the stage for a meaningful conversation. For a color analysis, you need to describe your physical characteristics. For example, you might type something like, with light brown skin, black eyes, and blonde hair, what color palette suits me best? Such a prompt provides ChatGPT with the necessary data because its recommendations hinge on these details, allowing it to identify your likely palette. Let's take a moment to understand what this entails. Describing your features accurately, including your skin tone, eye color, and hair color, helps in suggesting a seasonal color palette that might suit you well. Each palette, like spring, summer, autumn, or winter, comes with its own set of colors that resonate beautifully with certain natural features. In this example, ChatGPT suggests the autumn palette, known for its warm and earthy tones such as olive, mustard, and rust, advising against cool tones like icy blues or grays. Now that you've composed your prompt, find the Submit button. Clicking this will send your question to ChatGPT, prompting the AI to respond with its analysis and suggestions. In just a few moments, you'll receive an insightful response on the colors that are likely to enhance your natural beauty and personal style. Remember, this process is meant to be a guide rather than a strict rulebook. Color analysis with ChatGPT offers a creative and helpful starting point to explore new shades and tones that you might not have considered before. Enjoy the journey of self-discovery and style exploration, all from the comfort of your own home.